Okay, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be messing around with this computer that I picked up. Now, I did move desk spaces for this because I needed a bigger desk for a computer. Last computer video I made wasn't that great space-wise. I didn't have a lot of room to work, so we're moving to this bigger, great engineering table instead. Alright, so this is an AMD based Hewlett-Packard machine. I got it at Goodwill, and yeah, we're gonna open it up and see what this thing has in it. Alright, so looking inside, pretty basic consumer machine. I'm pretty sure this is stock. By the way, I forgot to mention, this is a company machine. I don't think the company did any upgrades to this machine whatsoever. Alright, so the first thing I like about this PC is this is the power supply, and it just lifts up, it like hinges, and so does the CD drive, although you have to push down this green button to pull it up. And you can pretty much just unhinge everything in this thing. It's pretty easy to upgrade. So yeah, we are going to be doing some upgrades to this PC, but first we gotta clean it up. Alright, so over here we have a Seagate drive, which appears to be 160 gigabytes. Over here we have a CD/DVD drive right here, made by Hewlett-Packard themselves. Down here we have the heatsink, which is over top of the AMD chip, and we also have this Samsung 2GB stick of RAM. Like I said before, it's a pretty basic computer. So right now I'm going to clean out all the dust from this machine. I already started cleaning a little bit of the dust, but not nearly all of it. So we're going to dust it out, and then we're going to do some upgrades. Alright, so I'm going to take the motherboard out to dust off the motherboard and get to the other components, and I realized it's a weird type of screw, so I have to go grab a different screwdriver, because unlike every other computer ever, they decided to use something that wasn't a Phillips. Alright guys, computer out of the case. Now that's all that's left to do is dust it out. Alright, we got the case and the components all dusted off. We're going to be reassembling it now, and I'm going to put in some new parts as well. So we're going to be adding a Wi-Fi card, because it only has wired Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and Ethernet isn't very useful anymore, so we're putting a Wi-Fi card in it by TP-Link, brand by the way, not sponsored. A 4GB stick of RAM, and yes, I know that you're supposed to put two of the same sticks in a computer, like two 4GB, but I'm doing one 2GB and one 4GB because that's all I have, and it's better than nothing. And we're also adding a second Seagate drive. This one's 250GB, and this one has Windows 7 on it. So we're going to make the system dual boot, so we can boot from Windows 7 or either Linux. We've officially disassembled this computer and reassembled it with some new features. A couple of notes. One, I took out this right here. This is the LAN. You plug it into the phone line for internet. We added this Wi-Fi card back here, which reminds me I have to put the antennas on. This thing came with Windows XP on it, and it was locked, so I didn't bother trying to unlock it, because what are you gonna do with a business copy of Windows XP? So I just used the product key on it and installed the newest, well, not the newest, but I put Windows 7 on it, and also Linux Mint. Dual boot into Windows 7 and Linux Mint. It has like around 400 gigs now. It's got more storage than before. I might end up using it as a Minecraft server, we'll see. But yeah, let's hook this thing up and get Linux Mint going. Alright, let's see if it posts. So I guess one of the fans isn't recognized, so I'm gonna plug that back in. I swear I plugged the fan in. Maybe I didn't, we'll see. Okay. Okay, that's the Linux tech kernel, so it's booting Linux. Alright, it booted. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are gonna end it here. If you guys want to see me run any programs on this machine, if you upgrade the CPU, anything like that, SSDs, comment down below. If you like the video, subscribe. We're trying to make it to 1,000 subs. See you guys in the next one.